If you've been scrolling online and wonder Nelson and Parker clothing is worth your time or just another online trap, you're in the right place because we're diving deep into what this brand really offers in 2026. I looked at the website, examined their product range, pricing, and customer feedback to see if it lives up to the hype or if it's just smoke and mirrors. Right off the bat, the website looks sleek and professional, which gives a solid first impression, but that's just surface level. The real question is, do the clothes match the images and promises? What I found is a mixed bag. Some products have decent quality fabric, but others feel far below what's advertised, and sizing seems inconsistent, making it tricky to know what you're actually getting. The deals on the site are tempting, with up to 70% off banners, but looking closer, many discounts are either temporary or on products that are less popular, which makes the savings feel less significant than advertised. Shipping times also vary. Some customers get their orders fast, while others report delays, and returns are possible but involve a process that can feel unnecessarily complicated. On the review side, opinions are all over the place. Some say the items are good for the price. Others feel disappointed, especially with how colors and fit come out compared to the pictures online. So is Nelson and Parker clothing a scam? Not exactly, because people do receive orders and the brand does exist, but it's not flawless or guaranteed to give a consistent experience either. If you're looking for a gamble on style and deals, it might be worth a shot, but if you expect premium quality and reliability every time, you might want to weigh your options carefully. Overall, the brand shows effort and potential, but buyer caution is definitely advised before committing your cash, because the reality is somewhere in between the hype and the disappointment.